also promote myself, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dong D. Just to remind you, I am an MC, event singer. If you have a future parties coming up, please visit me at booth number 9, table number 9. I have some business cards there. And yes, kung gusto nyo pong ipamana ko sa inyo ang mga kumikintab kong damit, bisitahin nyo po ang booth number 9. Alright! And yes, so, eto na. As I mentioned a while ago, we have some prizes for everyone here. We are giving away 4 tickets of the upcoming concert of Mr. Big. So, is Miss Yana over here? Yana Alvaro. She is the generous generous producer of this upcoming concert. So Miss Yana, is your tickets ready? Ito po, paraffle po to pero this one will make it a little bit more challenging. So let's see if you really deserve